but I didn't join there. In Facebook, I have seen your ad and I wanted to join and I enrolled,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, yeah. Thank you, madam. Thank you, Radhaji. Welcome to this program.
Thank you. No,
Yeah. So just now stay with us, and in this session and in all the sessions that will follow, you will gradually
yes, sir.
understand and experience and be able to
Yes, sir.
imbibe as well as.
Certainly.
Thank you for coming. Glad to have you.
Uh,
Yeah. Anybody who wishes to can please start with giving us a little bit about your maybe background, maybe your expectations, maybe how you learned about it, or maybe what you expect, or even any part of your spiritual seeking. If you have had any kind of a spiritual initiation or spiritual practices before, you can, if you wish to, you can share. Yeah. One of the things that this program has been scheduled for is with the English language interaction. So I would like to also know if there is anybody who doesn't feel comfortable in English, so that we can know at the outset. Because that's what we have been given this batch to, with English as the medium. But there are parallel similar batches also running with Hindi as a medium. And if anybody has a special request for any other regional language, they can also let us know, and we can direct you to the appropriate teams through our coordination group and committee. There are a large number of people who are practicing Sahaja Yoga who are dedicated to this collective effort of taking Sahaja Yoga to the masses and helping people get their spiritual experience and connection, as we will learn about it more as we. So there is an entire back-end team trying to and doing its best to coordinate, schedule, as well as cater to all the needs of different people. So this is a batch aimed at designed with English as the language, as the medium of instruction. But language is a medium of communication at the end of the day. So Sahaja Yoga courses are also being offered in other languages. As I said, those who wish to are most welcome to also let us know if for any reason English is not there. If they're not that comfortable with English, we would like to help them. Anybody else
sir,
who wishes to?
I am Radharamani. I am accustomed to English, sir. I can follow.
Yeah,
No
yeah.
problem for me, sir.
Okay, good. We are asking for those who have issue with English, they can also let us know.
Yes, sir.
We expect everyone who is here to be actually comfortable with English. That's why
Yes,
they
sir.
are
Yes,
here
sir.
in the first place. We are inviting, communication from anybody who doesn't feel that comfortable with English. Anybody who wishes to, please come forward. Really like to know more about you and welcome you here to this program.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm Saraswati Devdas over here.
Yeah.
So this meditation, I've been doing this Sahaja Yoga meditation I've been following on Sundays for the past 5 Sundays. And, this I got introduced through a friend, who told me about we meditate. And then when I went on the site and I found it, and actually the first invitation which came from your side, that was a very positive thing. And then I thought, let me give a try. Just wanted to know what it is about. First 2 Sundays was like little bit, okay, chalo, theek hai. but the third Sunday really clicked me so much, and I was looking forward for every Sunday. And this was a very good opportunity that you all have started this meditation Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I just grabbed the opportunity because I loved it. I loved it so much, and I'm really feeling positive after all that 5 meditations which I did on Sunday. So this is a
Wonderful.
very good thing what you all have done.
Excellent.
Thank you,
Excellent.
thank you.
Thank you, Saraswati Madam.
Thank-
Very much welcome to
Thank
you and glad to have you. And
Thank you,
I'm
sir.
sure
Thank
your positive experience will also inspire others and make them look forward to continuing
sure.
Sahaja Yoga.
Sure,
And
sir.
as you have seen how beautiful it is and how
Yeah.
wonderfully it settles us and balances us and
Yes,
enlightens us. So yeah,
correct, correct.
we wish to be here for everybody, and this is, as we said, a collective effort of a large number of people. And some
Sure,
of us
sir.
are front ending it, but there are dedicated teams behind us. So it is not a one person or a one man effort at all. So
Yes.
uh,
So
it's
to the team, I really appreciate your effort so much. Thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. And I've suggested my friends to join the meditation thing. They have also said yes. Let's see when they do
yeah,
it.
sure.
Yeah.
No, what we have done is we have this.
Huh.
There is a dedicated WhatsApp group,
Yeah.
which is now dedicated to all the new people who wish to be in this batch. What
Okay.
I presume you are already in that group also. That's where you must have got this link to the Zoom session.
Yeah.
Is it?
This is the one which of 9 p.m. link. Yeah.
Yes, that's right. So what we will do after this
yes.
program, we will again post the same group link. And if you wish, you can
Okay.
forward that link to
Okay.
any of your friends or acquaintances or family members or whoever you wish for them to,
Oh,
be able to join.
great.
So they can
Great.
simply click on that group link and join that WhatsApp group. And
Okay.
like today is a Monday, so as we announced in the group that on the day of every session, that is on every Monday, Wednesday, or Friday, at about 8:30 p.m. or so, between 8:30 to 9, we will be posting the session link. And the session link will be the same. It won't even change. So what you have received today is the same link you can use also on Wednesday night.
Oh, is
But
it?
we will be
Okay.
reposting it on each session day about half an hour before the session. So whoever is looking in that group can simply click that Zoom invitation link, and like you are here today, they can simply they can join the session. So that's how we intend to keep it open. That's how we intend to keep it open. However, we since this is an initial session, Sahaja Yoga meditations will progress quite quickly. So we will remain open to new seekers only in the first week. So that means today is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Whoever you wish to, please ask them to join within this week, because anytime later after the first week, we would have gone past, we would have covered a lot of like territory, so to speak.
Yeah, correct.
So it will not be possible for us to bring people up to speed as we start proceeding forward. So only in the initial first few sessions, or possibly the first week, we will remain open for new seekers to join the group. Because then we would have moved fast. So as we will progress, they will have to then wait for either a new batch to be started or something like that. So you have this, get them sooner the better.
Okay.
Tonight itself, after this session, you will have that group link in the WhatsApp group. Please have a look there. And
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I'll do that. Thank you very much. Thank you.
హలో క్లాస్లో ఉన్నా ఒక్క 10 నిమిషాలు యోగా క్లాస్.
Anybody else who wishes to now introduce, please go ahead. You can, Vikas, you may have to unmute also, because people should be able to speak to us. Vikas, just okay. Anybody now? This is today's session is only mainly as I said, to welcome, to meet, and to greet. So we will very soon enough. We'll sort of start with what Sahaja Yoga is about. But before that, if anybody wishes to say hello, just introduce yourself or share. I mean, tell us a little bit about how you came here or what you're looking for or what you expect. It would be nice to know. काफी सारे लोग हैं, मैं थोड़ा सा हिंदी में भी बोलना चाहूँगा। हमारी इस ग्रुप की भाषा जो है वो अंग्रेजी रखी गई है, तो मूलतः हम अंग्रेजी में ही बात करेंगे। हम बेसिकली इंग्लिश से ही मतलब सारा हमारा कम्युनिकेशन रखेंगे। तो जिनके लिए अगर अंग्रेजी उतनी कंफर्टेबल ना हो तो वो अभी हमें व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में भी बता सकते हैं और हम उनके लिए क्या कर सकेंगे वो हमारी बैक एंड टीम के साथ हम मिलकर उनके लिए जो उनको सबसे कंफर्टेबल लगे वो हम करने का प्रयास भी करेंगे। लेकिन हम बायलिंगुअल कोर्स नहीं रन कर पाएंगे। हम सारी चीज़ों को अंग्रेजी और हिंदी दोनों में नहीं आखिर तक कर पाएंगे। जहाँ आवश्यक हो वहाँ कुछ चीज़ें हिंदी में कहनी आवश्यक होंगी, वहाँ ही कहा जाएगा। बट बेसिकली ये कोर्स, ये सेशन सारे अंग्रेजी में, इंग्लिश में ही हमें कंडक्ट करने पड़ेंगे। तो ये लेकिन अंग्रेजी के अलावा अगर कोई हिंदी जैसे चाहता हो तो हिंदी में अलग बैचेस भी इस वक्त साइमल्टेनियसली रन हो रहे हैं। तो आप अगर हमें बताएं तो हम आपकी मदद कर सकते हैं। एंड यू कैन ऑल देन मतलब आपकी कन्वीनियंस के हिसाब से उस भाषा में आपको, अभी तो मेनली इंग्लिश और हिंदी में ही है, कुछ रीजनल लैंग्वेजेस में भी हैं, लेकिन इंग्लिश और हिंदी ज़्यादातर मोस्ट कॉमन लैंग्वेजेस हो गई हैं ऑल ओवर इंडिया। काफ़ी सारे लोग उसमें दे कंफर्टेबल। तो ऑलराइट।
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Hello, sir. Good evening. I'm Dr. Tara Devi. I'm a gynecologist. I got to know about this from Facebook, and I have been actually practicing Vipassana from the past 3 years. And I do meditation, and I just wanted to know, like, is this something like any chakra meditation, or I mean, I have just read about it slightly, and I've just seen them on YouTube. But I wanted to have a trainer and get trained in it, because though I had learned Vipassana 3 years back, I mean, I was not able to do it properly, and I was not able to go and attend their sessions for 10 days. 10 days I had attended, but later I could not continue that. So I mean, whenever I find time, I just chant. I just tell my prayers, I chant, and I do the meditation. But scientifically and being trained and with some trainers and teachers and guides like you, it will be easy for me to go spiritually. That is why I thought that since this is online also and it is convenient for me now to practice it from home, so I thought I would join this and learn, because I'm very new to this and I have no basic knowledge about this also, sir. So is this training from the beginning, like from the basic you will be telling us? How was it?
Today is 0.0. Today is
okay, sir.
The
because
0. We haven't even started. So this is like where we are at the start line.
Okay.
We are all at the start line, and we will give ourselves some time at the start line. So everybody is with us. And then
sir.
we will start taking all the steps, and we'll gradually break into a walk, then a jog, and then a run. So we will very nicely gather the momentum, and it will be all very nice and smooth. You'll see. You'll see. Just stay with us.
Thank you very much. Sure, sir.
Yes, you're most welcome. Most welcome.
Thank you very much, sir.
Speaking of gynecologists, what actually we have already had, we have a dedicated group of gynecologist doctors who are practicing. So what I would like you to do is, after you have had your induction through this series, I would like you in particular to join the rest of the gynecologists, and
sure, sir.
Because your community of doctors, the specialization you deal with has to do with the living process of birth,
deliveries. Yes, sir.
deliveries, and the entire
Yes.
life processes. And
Yes,
Sahaja
sir.
Yoga is absolutely the best thing that you can possibly even dream of. It will even exceed your expectations on most quarters. You'll see. So we have very good gynecologists today practicing Sahaja
Yes.
Yoga and using it in their medical practice also. So we would like you to learn also
Okay, sir.
how to apply Sahaja Yoga going forward, not only for your own
Yes.
well-being and, as you said, your spiritual development, but also be an instrument for all those who come to seek gynecological services from you, essentially pregnant mothers, essentially pregnant mothers, and the children who develop. The spiritual practice of meditation is most beneficial for a
Mm.
pregnant mother as well as the child she carries. So it will be of special significance to you, in addition to what it will, help you with in your own personal uh, seeking and in your personal growth. So
Thank you, sir.
yeah, very happy to have you, Dr. Tara Devi, and thank you for your
Thank you,
introduction.
sir.
Really,
Thank you
we
very
really
much.
appreciate you being with us.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Come on, we got a lot of people, so let's get to know each other. This is going to be a great joyride, and there's going to be a lot of fun in learning, but a very deep sense of enjoyment is going to be there amongst all of us. And the ice breaking is today, so let's thaw out the ice and begin to flow like water. That would be really nice. Let's do that. Lots of names. So anybody who wishes to.
So one of my friends who's joined this group, he was very keen on learning Sahaja Yoga in person. But on my request, he's joined the group, and he was wondering how we can manage this online. So I don't know why isn't he asking this question. He was very curious to know how can we do this yoga online.
Online means what all of us will be doing as we begin meditating and everything else. We will be sitting where we are and basically uh, getting connected to this all-pervading divine energy, which is all-pervading, as I just said. So it is everywhere. Our online interaction is a way for us to get in touch with each other, so we can share, so we can communicate, and with the help of that communication, we can enlighten ourselves. And the entire process of enlightenment itself gives us the joy where we are, as we are, and no change in our circumstance is necessary. So he will see, he will have to experience it. Therefore, everything in Sahaja Yoga is an experiential learning. There isn't only just a book that we can give somebody and just say read it and just do it like that. That's why we are together. The collectivity plays a very important role as we are a part and parcel, as we start becoming a part and parcel of the whole, and we recognize that the meditations start manifesting better and more. So your friend just has to go with the flow to understand how it will work out online. Only so much can be said. The rest is an experience.
Because anyhow, this one, the WhatsApp, now it came. And now click to, this guy.
Yeah.
He's talking. I know it's not coming. Something is
I don't understand the system actually.
to use WhatsApp.
We need photo makers.
Now they said you have.
For this you need keep Lila. Will be very fast. Bye bye again. You know joking.
Leela, you're okay. I'm trying to do something. All right, maybe if we invite some people, if they feel comfortable, if we take some names to step forward, or if there's anybody still willing to introduce themselves, we are still willing to know more about each one of you, ideally and actually. But if somebody prefers not to and doesn't feel comfortable, that's fine as well. There's no compulsion. You can choose to, which is one of the best parts of Sahaja Yoga. It leaves us entirely to our free will. And in our freedom, we have to choose, we have to opt. So that is an essential part of how Sahaja Yoga works. It does not intrude on our personal choice or personal freedom. And in our personal freedom, only it is possible for us to have what Sahaja Yoga wishes to offer us. So there is no other way. Therefore, nobody is compelled. There are no in particular do's or don'ts. There are only some best practices which are shared in Sahaja Yoga and some recommendations which are made. The rest is up to the individuals as to how much they wish to subscribe or conform or even accept. So that being said, if nobody wishes to further take the time to introduce themselves, I would like to proceed a little further, just an inch, not much, but I'm still there, and we are there for you to let us know about yourself. All right, now I wish to now bring in a short video on the introduction of Sahaja Yoga, what Sahaja Yoga is, from the words of the founder of Sahaja Yoga, Shrimati Nirmala Devi, and we would like you to just listen to this, and then maybe we can hear more about it from you, and then take it forward. So I'm just going to now share my screen, and we are going to now give you
Jayanji, can I play?
Yeah, go ahead, Leon.
So Sahaja Yoga means spontaneous union with the divine. Saha is with, Ja is born. That is spontaneous, born with you. Everybody has a right to get this union with the divine. The another meaning of the word divine is that the power of God, that is all-pervading, which does all the living work like transformation of flower into fruit, different seasons, all that is living is done by this power. And this divine, you have to become one. You have to feel it on your fingertips. This yoga also means the deftness, means also the complete knowledge about this divine power, how to handle it, how to work it out, and how to use it. By awakening of this Kundalini as a byproduct, you get your physical health. I've said many a times that cancer cannot be cured by anything else but by the Kundalini awakening. Yesterday I explained to you how cancer is caused and how Kundalini clears it out. Most of your diseases come because the centers are out of gear. They have broken their relationship with the whole, or maybe that there's something lacking in the centers. When the Kundalini rises, she only nourishes them so well that with that nourishment, all these centers, your mental, physical, emotional centers get completely satisfied and fulfilled, and they become healthy. With that, you get good health, good mind, and good balanced emotional life. But last of all, when she crosses this limit, this is the place where resides the God Almighty. Now I'm saying again that you are not to believe me, because people don't believe in God also these days. So I say that this is the place of God Almighty, on top of your head. But He's reflected in your heart as spirit. And as soon as the Kundalini touches that seat, the hands start flowing with cool breeze in the hand. First you feel the cool breeze of your own Kundalini coming up, and then the grace starts flowing through you, and you feel the grace in your hand as cool breeze flowing. So it happens. Once it happens, you have to establish yourself a little bit. You have to understand it, what it is, and how to keep it established. It takes at the most for some people only one day, but some people a month or so. And then you become the master. And that's what it is. You become a person identified with truth. You are not afraid of anyone. You always tell the truth. And we tell with great power. Like you had a great poet like William Blake, who has said about these modern times that at this time, the men of God means the people who are seeking God or who are believing God will become prophets, and they'll have power to make others prophet. This is exactly what Sahaja Yoga does, that you get your realization and you start giving realization to another. Like an enlightened light can enlighten another light which is not enlightened, and then that enlightened light can enlighten many other lights. It's simple as that. There's nothing to take or give. It's just a catalyst that you enlighten another light, and that person enlightens another light. So there is no obligation, there's nothing give and take, but it's just a simple happening that you can understand. This Dr. Warren himself has given realization to thousands of people. Even in Madras, I could not go. I sent him and he gave realization to 300 people. Like in India, we have somebody who has given realization to 10,000 people. It's a fact. And you can verify it. When you yourself get your realization, you'll be surprised that you can give realization to people and you can cure them. You can give them peace and bliss of God. Then at that time, you become collectively conscious. You become part and parcel of the whole. Like many people had the catch yesterday on the Vishuddhi Chakra. Because of certain reasons, some trouble, some had spondylitis, some had something. And they couldn't cross this thing. Only they had to say 3 times, Mother, I am the part and parcel of the whole. And they started feeling the cool breeze. It's so simple as that. And they started feeling the cool breeze because they were obstructed here. So it's very simple methods which even a child can do, which you can do is there. And I hope today in this place, which is so beautiful, Bath, we will all receive this realization. May God bless you all.
So this was in a nutshell from Shrimataji about what Sahaja Yoga is about. And Shrimataji is the founder of Sahaja Yoga Meditations. These meditations became public and globally available since 1970, when Shrimataji started Sahaja Yoga. And according to Shrimataji, Sahaja Yoga is the means of global human emancipation. So this is like the last step in our evolution, since as we have progressed from, we have evolved from primates to Homo sapiens, yet the link of our consciousness with the divine consciousness is where the buck had stopped. And Shrimataji was needed, and Shrimataji went and carried out this immensely important spiritual breakthrough, as a result of which en masse self-realization has become a global reality. Today, Sahaja Yoga is practiced in more than 150 countries of the world, of every possible known race, religion, or community of people all over the world are practicing Sahaja Yoga meditations and enjoying the peace, the bliss, and the balance which Sahaja Yoga brings into our lives through meditation. So, now you just heard what Shrimataji said. Now, your responses to this, we would really like to know from you if you have any impressions, concerns about what Shrimataji said. Shrimataji, Vikas, can you bring us the subtle system slide, please? We would like to also keep that ready so we can discuss the sort of the course flow. If we can. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, just stay there, stay there. So, this is a very brief information about the background about Sahaja Yoga, which we just like to bring to your attention. So this, as we said, 1970 was the year when Shrimataji started out globally with this practice of Sahaja Yoga meditations. And the practice is secular and universal in nature, which means it does not restrict or bind anybody to any particular religion, or does not discriminate against a religious or an irreligious person. There is no need to, the religion in the true sense of the word becomes possible only after self-realization, which happens and which works out in Sahaja Yoga very spontaneously and very beautifully for most, if not all people. And Sahaja Yoga is all over the world practiced as well as imparted free of charge. So there is no monetary requirement, or there's no payment by which it becomes universally available to all people. Because material inequities are one big problem in the world today. And Sahaja Yoga simply rises above it all by not having money as in any shape, way, or form a criteria. Now, one of the most important things is at the bottom of this slide where it is said, reading, Sahaja Yoga is different from other yogas because it begins with self-realization. I hope to explain this to everybody and make sure you all understand this. So there are so many disciplines of yoga today available, and yoga has become a very catchword all over the world, and people make all sorts of interpretations and versions of it, and there are institutions, commercial courses, and everything. But Sahaja Yoga, the main purpose, the main definition of yoga is the individual connection with the whole, or with the divine, and that is the process of self-realization. So Sahaja Yoga initiates the seeker with his or her self-realization at the outset. And from there, the entire practice of Sahaja Yoga then emerges as well as begins. If I were to give an analogy of how this works, if you compare it, Vikas, can you mute everybody? There are some audio disturbances coming. Thank you. The way Sahaja Yoga begins with self-realization is a very good analogy of that would be like the university education. For example, whenever we admit ourselves for higher education into a university, we have to first take admission into a given course, and before that also we have to qualify for that. And then begins our sort of study in the particular discipline, whatever our course may be. For example, one could be studying law, one could be studying medicine, or one could be studying fine arts or music or sculpture or dance or drama or architecture or engineering or management or whatever there is. Whichever discipline we wish to acquire higher learning into, we have to first get admitted into the course, and our learning begins from day one in that course. Gradually, as we learn, then through the classes and through the various exams, through the entire duration of the course, we qualify towards the degree or the diploma or whatever it is. And finally, when we have cleared all the exams and all the other tests, etc., then we are awarded that degree. So this is how the conventional education in a university works. Compared to that, Sahaja Yoga, if it were a university, the way Sahaja Yoga works is, it gives you the degree on day one, but then begins the education. The reason being, the authorization from the divine comes with our self-realization to even practice the meditation. So the reality of meditation becomes possible only with divine grace and divine blessings, which is what we receive at the outset in the form of our self-realization, and after which we start learning everything about it and gradually growing. So akin to a university where you get the degree or the certificate at the end of the course after your exams and all the study, in Sahaja Yoga, in a way, you are given the degree at the day one in the form of your realization, but then your degree remains valid. Your degree becomes valuable as you learn and grow and mature. So that happens with meditation, which is a living process, which we will all experience and come to understand through all these sessions that are planned for you. And all the sessions, the flow of the sessions will be based on the human subtle system that is inside every human being. And for that, I would like you to have a look at the subtle system chart next coming on the screen for you. In this subtle system, as you see, we have these 3 vertical channels shown inside that human figure. And we have these 7 energy centers, also known as chakras, vertically placed on the central channel. So our entire interaction based on our future sessions will carry us step by step through each of these parts of our own subtle system, wherein we will learn, we will understand, as well as experience the manifestation of the divine energy within us through our channels, as well as through our subtle energy centers, also known as chakras to most people. And this is a very ancient knowledge. There's nothing new about this or that Sahaja Yoga has discovered or invented, none of that. This is already age old. I mean, this is timelessly there in India since times immemorial. However, the beauty of Sahaja Yoga is, though this was known, but this was practiced in the past under an enlightened master by very few people. And the Guru Shishya Parampara that we have had in our culture and civilization had basically made this practice and this knowledge and this experience available to very few. So an enlightened master used to only have the most select of his or her disciples to whom he or she would impart this, impart the experience, the knowledge of enlightenment and the joy of it. Subject to, of course, their being mature enough. Now, what has happened in Sahaja Yoga is Shrimati has felt the dire need for the breakthrough in human consciousness, which is today the make or break of our existence, to have it as a gateway, have it as a last resort for human emancipation. So Shrimataji has made it available en masse to all people, waiving aside all the prerequisites which were previously in place, which is why the enlightened masters used to filter out all their disciples and only would talk about it to their best, because they used to apply all the prerequisites. Shrimataji has now, with her spiritual powers, been able to now invite the whole of humanity and make it available for all people to have this experience. So that is why we have this collective effort of trying to reach out to as many people and as many seekers of truth as may be possible. And today the online medium of communication and interaction is really a God-sent blessing, because being where we are in our own time and space and place, etc., we can very easily reach out and have this benefit, and then start this process of self-discovery as well as self-growth with self-realization in Sahaja Yoga. I would like to emphasize also a little from the physical point of view here. While the spiritual is the basis, but today we are at a juncture in our collective human existence where I would like you to understand also the criticality. Most of us may even be aware, but I would like to bring it to our attention as to how critical our need for self-realization today is. Vikas, can you allow me to share the screen, please? Thank you. Thank you. I would like to draw your attention now Vikas, can you please enable my screen sharing? I'm not able to share my screen. Okay, thank you. Now I can. Right. I would like to invite your attention to this graphic that I'm sharing with you right now. Can everybody see this graphic? Can you acknowledge? Vikas, can you see it?
Yes, all of us can.
Okay, thank you. Now, what we are looking at is what is known as the Earth Overshoot Day. I want us to understand the critical nature of our existence today at this critical hour in the history of humanity. The Earth Overshoot Day today is recognized as the day every year when we exceed past Mother Earth's biocapacity to sustain humanity. And the first year in which this capacity was exceeded was 1970, which was the same year in which Shrimataji established Sahaja Yoga. So the Earth went from having bio-reserves into bio-deficit since 1970. And if you see this graphic in front of you, you see the red bars on top and the green bars below. The reducing green is showing us that we are continually exceeding Mother Earth's capacity to nourish us. And the increasing red on top is showing how much more we are costing Mother Earth each passing day and each passing year. So clearly, we are on a course of destruction. this can't go on for any further. Now this year, if you see 1920 has a slightly taller green bar than the previous years, and that is because of the pandemic that we are experiencing, because of which most of the global industry has had to have a shutdown. So that has resulted in the Earth Overshoot Day occurring this year on the 22nd of August. So which means on this year, by August 22nd, we had already utilized the full 12 months of the bioreserves that Mother Earth could make us available for the whole of humanity on Earth. So after August 22nd, we are consuming more than what Mother Earth can replenish this year. And look at that date. That date starts, if you look at the first year in which biocapacity was exceeded, was on the December 29th in 1970. It pretty much lasted that whole year. We just ran out of Mother Earth's capacity 2 days before the calendar year ended. But since 1970, if you read these dates, you can see the increasing nature of human consumption. And this consumption today has created the unsustainability, which is our doom looking forward. So Shri Mataji started in 1970 itself. This was the birth year of Sahaja Yoga. This is very, very critical to note in these global terms. There is no mumbo jumbo and spiritual bullshit in Sahaja Yoga. This is how hard the truth hits us. So whether you like the truth or not doesn't change or doesn't matter after a while. The consequences are there for us to live with. So that is the premise of the advent of Sahaja Yoga. And this is where today our increasing consumption patterns have led us to. So now one can ask, what can Sahaja Yoga do about it? Well, there is a whole global community of more than 7.8 billion human beings trying to compete, trying to exceed, trying to survive and what have you. So the way Sahaja Yoga now works is, Vikas, can you bring the slide back of our subtle system? Sahaja Yoga works
For that,
on
you
the
need to
principle.
make me the host again. You need
All
to
right.
make me the host again.
Okay, 1 second. There you are. You're the host now. The way Sahaja Yoga now works towards addressing the sustainability issue, as you can see here, from 1 Earth to 1.6 Earths is how much we need today to survive. As you can see in this graphic on top, we needed an Earth initially till 1970 for us all to live on. Today we need more than 1.5 times the Earth. We actually need 1.6 times the Earth. And we only have one Mother Earth. So obviously, I mean, one can see the issue here. Now, while this is the problem, we would now like to define the solution through Sahaja Yoga. And the way Sahaja Yoga works is now, stay on the subtle system, stay on the subtle system. Yeah. Thank you. This central channel is also the Sushumna Nadi within us. This is the channel of our human evolution and growth. This is the channel which gives us sustainability within. This sustainability works out through all our subtle system, wherein the growth in our, or rather the evolution of our consciousness through meditation helps us understand the difference between needs and wants. And while wants are endless, needs are far few and are essentials. So these first, as a first step, the difference between needs and wants, and then the accompanying effect of our self-realization is at this level number 3, the chakra at the abdomen. This is the Nabhi chakra. in which satisfaction becomes a part of us, and we start feeling satisfied from within as our subtle energy system is awakened, and the Kundalini starts nourishing our entire subtle system, right from the 3 energy channels to the 7 energy centers within us. Its contribution to our Nabhi, to the abdominal chakra, is in the form of giving us satisfaction and helping us understand and accept the difference between needs and wants. Thereby, we are able to then check our excesses and can start bringing our entire existence into balance out of the over-consumerism that is afflicting the whole of our humanity and costing Mother Earth so dearly that our species is threatened with extinction at this point in time if the right measures are not adopted at the individual as well as the collective levels en masse. So Shrimataji saw the dire need for this 50 years ago. As soon as the world went from bio reserve capacity into bio deficits, which means as soon as the Mother Earth's capacity was exceeded by human beings, Sahaja Yoga was brought in so that human beings can get their self-realization, get their enlightenment, and check themselves in their own spiritual, mental, emotional, and material existence. So that is the main purpose and goal of Sahaja Yoga. So we understand fully well now and are able to help ourselves to become part of the solution and resolve all these global problems that are caused because of human indulgence and human excesses, whether they are physical, whether they are environmental, whether they are social, whether they are economic, or any other sphere of life there may be. They are all manifestations of human imbalance within. And Sahaja Yoga addresses that human imbalance within by the awakening of the subtle energy system and instilling and establishing the balance within us naturally, spontaneously, and in a very living and a sustainable manner. Right. I would like to now invite your impressions, queries, and opinions on what we've just talked about today. So the floor is open now. We have the last few minutes before 10 p.m. We will officially be carrying out all our interactions till 10 p.m. And after 10 p.m., whoever wishes to stay and wishes to discuss or wishes to partake in extended interactions will be welcome. But no more new content will be shared on any given day after 10 p.m. So I would like to stop with this here for today and ask you if you have any questions, queries based on what has been said today. What we will be doing is we will be sharing with you a couple of video links, and we want you to go home in your own time and space, possibly today, possibly tomorrow, before you come back on Wednesday for the next session, to try and experience the self-realization process on your own, in your own time and space, with the help of Shrimataji's affirmations and instructions. And we will be collectively then also practicing the same on Wednesday when we meet again. So that is what we would like to leave you today with as a homework. But before we end, as I said, we are inviting your responses to today's session. And if you have any questions or queries, please go ahead. We'll be very happy to answer as well as respond. कोई कुछ कहना चाहता है आज के इस ध्यान के? Can you? Is everybody unmuted with us?
Hello.
Yes, yes. Hello.
I am Radha Ji speaking.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, go on.
So I felt very pleasant by hearing your lecture, sir. I am very interested to do this yoga.
All right.
That's
Thank you.
what
Thank you.
that's what my feelings are after hearing your lecture. I am very much thankful to you for giving this much time for us, sparing this much time for us, sir. I
It's our
am
joy
very
and
much.
pleasure. Yes,
Uh,
thank you, thank you. It's our joy and pleasure. Now we will share this link with you. Just try the meditation at home before
Yes,
we
sir.
start collectively meditating on Wednesday. We want
Yes, sir.
everybody to have a go at it individually and on your own first. Then we will all be also collectively be doing it. So before we go to the collective, I want to give everybody this opportunity and this time to try it on your own and come back on Wednesday and maybe share how you felt. And then we will also start the entire collective meditation process. Today was just an introduction. Today was just, as I said initially, a welcome meet and greet, so we can know each other, so um, we can also explain to you where we come from and also try and understand where you come from. So
Hello,
thank you,
sir.
Radhaji. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Hello.
Sir, one query.
Hello.
One
Yeah.
minute.
Hello. Yes.
Hello.
Sir, do we need to do this in a fasting state?
No.
Any
No,
prerequisites to do this?
no, absolutely none whatsoever. Absolutely none. Just be easy, be comfortable. Whatever you're doing, you don't have to fast for it. But if you are fasting for any reason, especially if they are medical or physical, you can continue to also.
No,
We have
what I
no
meant to do is,
recommendation.
do we need to do it on an empty stomach or anything like that?
No. On the contrary,
Okay.
the 9 to 10 time slot has been designed. It actually suits somebody to have your dinner and nicely settle down also. So you could have had your meal, you could have had your dinner, and you could be in this
Okay.
session and that will be perfectly fine.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Very good question. Thank you. Thank you. There's no prerequisite as such of any kind, not just food, you know, no other, none whatsoever. Please remember that.
Sir, one query. I'm Radhaji. Sir, we have to share the experience in WhatsApp, through WhatsApp, or
No. You don't have to share anything on WhatsApp. You can tell us like this how today we are asking. If you wish to, you can share in the next session, or if you don't wish to, you can stay silent. There's nothing like that. WhatsApp is for
Now,
communication mainly.
yes, sir. So one more thing. Today, what I have to do, I have to do meditation.
You just listen to the video that we will be sending you in WhatsApp. We will send you a link. That link
Yes,
will
sir.
take you to a video on YouTube. You simply listen to that video and Shrimataji will explain what you have to do. Just follow
Yes, sir.
Shrimataji's instructions, all right?
Thank you, sir.
They'll be pretty simple and straightforward. You shouldn't need any help on that. They are
Yes, sir.
quite, so just await that video. We will post it after this session in the WhatsApp group. But whatever we said today, we are still open and it's just 10 p.m. now. So we are open for your interaction and your responses and your feedback based on today's session if you have any.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Sudhir, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm here only.
How was it? How did you feel? What
Yeah,
was
it
it? What's
was
your...
pretty well explained. So, to be really candid, I couldn't comprehend everything. So maybe in the next session, all my doubts should be cleared, and I'll come up with some questions. But definitely, I'm looking forward for the videos, and I'll get to know more about Sahaj Yoga. Sharing the videos on WhatsApp, so I'll go through that. But it was a pleasant experience altogether.
We will be sharing the same video which you will be present in the session also again in the WhatsApp group. So you can have a re-listen or you can even use it again later if you like to, again, you can spend time on it. As you said, if it was comprehension wasn't possible in the first step, for whatever reason, you can take more time also and you can go over it again at leisure, at your
Sure.
Yeah. Thank you. Anybody else? lots of us today. So, Dr. Tara Devi, I would like to ask you, how
Yes, sir.
are you feeling comfortable with whatever was said, whatever you heard
Yes,
from
sir.
Shrimati, whatever was said apart from
Yes,
that?
sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
कोई सवाल, कुछ कहना चाहते हैं, कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं? Anything? After 10, our language barrier will be relaxed also. आप चाहें तो हिंदी में पूछ सकते हैं, बता सकते हैं, because 10 बजे तक हम अंग्रेजी को रखना मेरे because of the official rule, तो हम अंग्रेजी तक 10 तक तो रखना पड़ेगा. 10 के आगे we are free. आप anybody wants to speak in Hindi, you're welcome. कोई ऐसी कोई अंग्रेजी की कोई खास जरूरत नहीं है. तो कोई कुछ कहना चाहता है या पूछना चाहता है, जानना चाहता है, बताना चाहता है, तो आप वेलकम हैं. ओके, बड़ी शांति लग रही है, तो आई थिंक पीपल आर क्वाइट कंफर्टेबल एंड क्वाइट पीसफुल ऑलरेडी. So if there are no more questions, then we would like to also conclude, and we will, as I said, हम आपको वो लिंक्स भी भेज रहे हैं, और आप सबसे अनुरोध कर रहे हैं कि आप अब जो आपको वीडियो लिंक श्रीमती जी का आत्म साक्षात्कार का, सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन का भेजा जाएगा, आप उसके अनुसार, जैसे श्रीमती जी कह रहे हैं, हम आपको लिंक्स दोनों भाषाओं में भेजेंगे. विल सेंड यू इन इंग्लिश ऑल्सो एंड इन हिंदी ऑल्सो. So whatever you feel comfortable with, you can try that, because language is just a medium of communication. There is something much more than language, which is here to be experienced and achieved. तो आप उसके अनुसार, सिर्फ श्रीमती जी के कहे अनुसार आप ध्यान करके देखिए, और जैसे आपका अनुभव आपको आएगा, वैसा आप अगर चाहें तो अगले सेशन में हमें बता सकते हैं. नहीं तो अगले सेशन में हम सबके साथ सामूहिक ध्यान से उसकी शुरुआत फिर से करेंगे. So we will also start with collective self-realization from our next session on Wednesday, and then make sure everybody gets the experience and the awakening as Shrimati ji gives it in Sahaja Yoga. So with that, if nobody has anything else to say, then only I would like to conclude. But I'm also open to stay if anybody wishes to say or ask or interact. Up to you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
So can you also share the screen on the earth that you had explained just now?
Yes.
In the WhatsApp group?
What I will do is I'll share that link itself. Okay, I'll send you that website link. It's a very good, see, these are the reality issues today. So I will share that entire website with you. Go ahead, go through it. And it's like a globally available statistic and a resource. So we can better appreciate where we stand today and what is at stake. I'm glad you asked. I'm very glad you asked. A very good question. Thank you. Thank you for asking.
Yeah, thank you so much.
It's
very good to know about this.
That will be, exactly. As please study that in more detail, so we understand the critical hour in which we exist. We are hacking at our roots so badly that our tree is about to collapse.
Right.
Exactly. That's how critical it is for us to now have our sustenance within fully established and manifested, for which Sahaja Yoga is there to help us have our self-realization with Shrimati Ji's blessings.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
May I know your good name, ma'am? Who's speaking? I don't know.
I'm Neetu Sharma, sir, from Delhi.
Okay.
I'm a banker, sir.
Right. Okay. Right.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, sure. You're welcome. कोई और? Anybody else? कुछ कहना, सुनना, पूछना, बताना, जानना चाहता हो तो पूछ ले, बता दे. बड़ी शांति है. I think the piece is already started. Not many people want to talk. It's fine. As the meditation starts, So if everybody is happy to call it a day, we would like to conclude. If there are no more further any queries or अगर कोई और कुछ ना शेयर करना चाहते हो तो आज के लिए हम इसे यहीं समाप्त करते हैं. So today we will conclude it here. Please check your WhatsApp. Within the next hour, you will have these links, and you have the whole of tomorrow and day after tomorrow also, in which you can find your own time to just try this meditation with Shumataji. Akele mein, in your own individual comfort and in your own individual privacy and in your own individual time and space. So we want everybody to dedicate some part of your time in the next 48 or so hours to yourself and try out this meditation, which then, as I said before, we will also collectively practice in our next session, and we'll make sure everybody then can experience what the blessing of Shumataji in Sahaja Yoga. So with that, if there is no further queries, then I would like to conclude this session for today. All right. Thank you very much for attending the session today. We really appreciate everybody giving us their time, and we hope your time was worth the while and that you will be enjoying more as we go forward in our future sessions. Thank you very much. And have a wonderful and a good night.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Chalo.
Hello, good night, sir.
Chalo.